Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I have my son T-Rex helping me out today. And we have the Disney Parks Wishables. We've got two different kinds here. We've got the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad series. And we've got the Parks Food Series 2. We've got 3 of these and only 2 of these. With the Wishables, there's 4 of them that come in the package that you don't know what you're getting. And there's 1 that comes out of the package that you know what you're getting. So with this one, the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad, we've got Goofy as the conductor. These are really soft, really cute. All the details in the face are all embroidered, and he also has these on his hands that are embroidered too. They're really super soft and squishy, super cute. With the snack series, we have this little Mickey waffle that comes out of it doesn't come in one of these. It's not a blind bag. But the Mickey waffle is really cute. He's got a butter on top of his head, and on the other side he has a different expression on his face. And there's one more I got that was not in a package. That was super cute and I had to get him. It was Stitch. Super cute. He's got the embroidery all over his face too, and so does the Mickey waffle. He's got embroidery on his ears and his face and his butter on his head. So that's really cool about these, is they have really good quality. Okay, T-Rex. Which one should we open first? This one? Okay. You want to open up? Okay, he picked this one. This looks pretty fat. We'll open this one up. Okay, you want to open it? Oh. Ooh, what do we get? That's cool. We got the train. Oh, he's cute. You want to talk about it? All right, the train, super cute. Really big. It's got in his face, he's got the embroidering stuff on his face too. His eyes, his nose, his mouth. He's got little stars in his eyes. He's really cute. The wheels are like a thicker fabric just sewn on top of it, but the rest of them is really soft and squishy. Super cute. Got the train. All right. Okay, we're opening that one next. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I actually want to keep one of these, so I'm going to open it from the bottom.
You want to keep this one?
Okay, pull it out. Can you get it? Good. what did we get, Crux?
We got the Minnie Mouse Runaway car.
Yeah. Is that awesome? That's the one you wanted to get, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This one's really cool. It's got Mickey and Minnie driving. Well, Mickey's driving the car, but it's got Mickey and Minnie. The car is super soft and plushy like the others. Mickey and Minnie's face have the embroidery on their eyes, their nose, their mouth, and are all around their face on the black part right here. All around their face it has embroidery on it. This little piece right here and this piece back here is the more tough, thick fabric that they've sewn on. But the rest of the car is super soft. Oh, I'm so glad we got this one. So cute. Yay.
We're gonna open this one next.
Okay, that one's next.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty.
It's even big. It might be that one or that one.
Okay. What is it? It's the orange bird. Oh, he's so cute.
I got the orange bird.
Is he super soft?
Yeah.
He's cute. Alright, let's see. The orange bird. He's really cute, super soft. His eyes are embroidered, and so is his mouth. Everywhere else is just nice and soft and fluffy. And he's also got this fluffiness going around his face and down here on his chest. They're like, to make it look like feathery, I guess. Oh, he's so cute. Cute.
We're gonna open this one next.
Okay, next we are on the snacks. Oh, first, which one do you want to get?
The cotton candy.
The cotton candy. These are what you can get in this pack. You can get popcorn, churros, the turkey leg, or cotton candy. And T-Rex is open for?
The cotton candy.
Well, let's see what it is.
No!
What is it? It's the turkey leg. Here's the turkey leg. Its face is the embroidery stuff again. And it has like a little fabric thing that's just wrapped around right here. It's like a blanket, whatever, I don't know. But it's like the wrapper that goes on the leg while you're eating it. That's pretty cool. And then it's got the bone sticking out right here. That's super cute. Comment down below if you like to eat turkey legs at Disneyland. They are pretty good, but I don't think there's very much meat on them.
We're gonna open this one next.
Next, oh, hold on. I'm gonna do the bottom one so I can save this.
Well, what if it's cotton candy?
Ooh, then that would be awesome.
I can have it.
Okay. Ready? You ready? Okay, pull it out.
The cotton candy.
Yeah!
No,
you got it!
You got the cotton candy.
Yeah!
And
Good
he
job.
has flour on his eyes.
Let's see this. Cotton candy. Oh, cute. Here's the cotton candy. He's super fluffy on top and super soft, and so is the cone. Is really soft. The embroidery is on his face again, the eyes and the mouth. He's got the rosy cheeks. They all have rosy cheeks. They're so cute. That is awesome, Trex. You are lucky. Look, we didn't get any duplicates. That is so cool.
Do I get to keep all of them?
Of course we get to keep them.
No, do I get to keep all of them?
Oh, you want them, huh? All right.
Make sure to subscribe and comment down below.
Thank you for watching this video. Tell us which Wishables that you like. And any of them that has been out before, what one is your favorite so far? Huh. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.